Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a mystery box for you. You guys know I love trying different mystery boxes, and for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, there was a lot. But I really didn't get too many because I know with mystery boxes, oftentimes brands put kind of products that aren't selling well into their boxes or stuff on clearance. I know Too Faced does that, and I had a feeling Tarte was going to do that too. They had a mystery bag I was very tempted to get, but I ended up not getting it. But one mystery bag I did want to try was actually from Ofra. So I bought their Black Friday mystery bag. So I'm going to be unboxing this, or unbagging this, I guess, today for you guys. And I'm also going to show you guys what is in their holiday collection. I've been meaning to do a video with their holiday products, and I thought this would be a good time since we're talking all about Ofra stuff. And they have a super cute holiday collection. So I'm going to be going over what is all in their holiday collection. Let's start with the unboxing first, because I'm sure most of you guys are excited to see what is in the mystery bag. Alright, so it came with this really nice bag here. It is gray. It's like I'm guessing a faux leather. It has mint accents, and it says Ofra, perfecting beauty every day. This would be a really nice just travel bag. I'm thinking for like shower stuff, bathroom essentials in here. So I actually really like this bag, and it's pretty big. I did want to mention, I think this was only available on Black Friday, so it was only available for one day, and it was $35 in this, and you were supposed to get a value of $100 and up, which is crazy. So I'm excited to see what is in here. So first up, I'm excited to see this. This is their makeup fixer. This makeup setting spray is honestly so good. I really enjoy it. I used to have a huge bottle of it, but I've pretty much used it up and I haven't repurchased. I don't know why, but this stuff is great. It's such a good makeup setting spray. It really does make your makeup last. So that is the makeup fixer, 2-ounce size. So far, so good. Next we have, a highlighter. Alright, so it looks like we got a full size of their Star Island highlighter. This is one of their best sellers. It is absolutely stunning. I do own this already, and it's beautiful. I'll go ahead and swatch the one that I have. So this is what Star Island looks like. It's a really nice light champagne color. So pretty. Next up we got, it looks like we got another highlighter, and this one is, I do not have this. This is in Retrograde. I feel like this came out fairly recently, and this is really cool. So half of it is like a really pretty champagne gold, and then the other half is this gorgeous lilac. Oh my gosh. I'm going to mix them together and swatch. I love like lavender tinted highlights, so I feel like I'm going to like this a lot. Oh, that's so pretty mixed together. My lighting is trash today, so I'm sorry. I ordered new lights and they're taking forever to get here, and I'm filming at night, but hopefully you guys could see the swatch. It's so pretty. We also got we got the blush from the Ofra Madison Miller collection. I think I have this one already as well. This one's in the shade All You Need Is Love, and it is this really pretty, almost like burnt peach shade. It is nice. But yeah, I've been getting a few duplicates here, and I feel like I didn't own that many Ofra products, so maybe I own more than I realized, but it is very nice. Lastly, we got 2 liquid lips, and I don't think I have these, so that's exciting. Alright, by the way, most of the stuff is all in their new packaging, which is nice, so it's not like they threw in all of their older packaged products, because they did change their packaging recently. So, for liquid lipsticks, we got the shade Ruby, which is this vampy berry. Perfect for like fall and the holiday season. I think that is going to be stunning. I love Ofra liquid lips, so I'm excited to have some deeper shades. I have so many nudes. I need to branch out. And then I also got the shade Vermillion, I think. And it is a bright red, which is also perfect for the holidays. If you want like a Christmas red, I think this one's really nice. So those are the 2 liquid lipsticks. That's everything I got in my mystery bag. I would say it's definitely a great deal. I think we got quite a few products for only $35. I think that was pretty amazing. And I did have 2 duplicates, but I still think it was worth it even with the other products. So that's my mystery bag. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments. And if you guys got one, let me know what you got, or if everyone got the same thing. I have no idea. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now what is in their holiday collection, because I thought that would be fun to kind of swatch everything and go over the full collection. I was gifted these products from the Ofra team at the Ipsy Live event, which this collection is so cute. Thank you so much to Ofra for sending these because these are absolutely beautiful. So first I want to show you guys, they have these duo split like pans. There's like a contour one and there is a blush one. So this is the blush and highlight duo compact in the shade Snuggle Up. It is in their normal packaging, but how pretty is this? You get a duo pan with half a blush and half the highlight. This blush I do have on. I'm actually wearing the highlight in this one as well. It is absolutely stunning. It kind of reminds me almost of Star Island. By the way, I do have an affiliate code with Ofra. If you guys do want to shop through my link, you guys get 20% off if you shop through my link or use the code LeahJanae at checkout, which should work on these holiday items or any future Ofra purchases you guys are interested in. I'm really excited to have an affiliate code with them because I have used their products since they literally launched their liquid lipstick, which seems like so long ago now that they've had them. But yeah, if you guys do use my code, I do appreciate it. So this little duo retails for $29. I'll go ahead and swatch this for you. So we have the highlight and the blush, which is a really pretty peach. This blush looks so pretty on the skin. I have it today. It's very natural. I really enjoy that. So that one is the Snuggle Up duo. Another duo that they had is the Hot Cocoa duo. I was most excited for this because it is adorable and I love the name of it. It's perfect. So this one has a bronzer and a highlight in it. As you can see, I have used it. I did put it on today. That is what I have as my contour today. I guess it's more of a bronzer because it is shimmery. I don't usually use shimmery contours, but it doesn't really come off too shimmery on the face. It is deep, but you can definitely blend this out and make it however you want. Like today I'm pretty fair and I still just use a little bit and I was able to get like a perfect bronze. So that is what that one looks like with a little bit of shimmer. And then the highlight is a little bit more golden, a little bit darker than the highlight in the Snuggle Up. So that one is the highlight in the Hot Cocoa duo. Next up, they have this adorable liquid lipstick set. This one is for $20 and you get 4 minis in here. This is adorable. So some of these are, I think, permanent and some are limited edition, but how cute. The one I have on today is called Aspen. It's a nice mauve-y nude. Here is a swatch of it. If you haven't tried their liquid lipsticks, they are honestly one of the most, I would say, comfortable liquid lipsticks around. They're really nice. And this one is Sedona. I think this one might be a permanent shade. So here is Sedona, the second one there. Next up we have this one called Palo Alto, which I also think is permanent. It's like a brick reddish orange. Very nice. And then lastly I have the shade Portland, which is almost this brown nude. So those are the 4 shades in this lip kit. I feel like they do have very unique shades that I don't really have dupes for in my collection. So that is adorable. I almost forgot about this one. This is also from the Snowed In collection. This is the Glo x5 signature palette. You get 5 different highlighters, which is so cool. So you pretty much have every shade you could ever want. And I believe most of these are all their permanent ones. So you get the shades Star Island, Rodeo Drive, Bali, Pillow Talk, and Blissful in here. I'll go ahead and swatch all of them because why not? Alright, here is the 5 shades. Very nice. If you guys are highlight lovers and you guys want to try out theirs and you don't have any yet, I think this would be a really nice palette to have since it does have pretty much every shade you could ever need in here. And the last set I have to show you guys is called the Snowed In set. This one is for $22. These are such little cute baby sizes. So you get the makeup fixer, as I was talking about. I love this stuff. So you get a little mini size of the makeup fixer. You also get a mini of the blush in New Cheer, which I don't think, this might be new, I don't know. I haven't seen this before. It's like a rosy pink gold. Very pretty. Almost reminds me of like a NARS Orgasm with that peachy tone with the gold mixed in. It's very nice. And then the last thing you get is a liquid lipstick in the shade Unzipped, which I feel like that's new as well. I have not heard of that shade before, and this one is a darker mauve. So there's some swatches for you guys. Those are the Ofra holiday kits and new items that are available. These items you could still get. But I had to show you guys those sets because I think they are so cute. But that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any Ofra faves in the comments down below. I'm super curious. So let me know if you got a mystery bag, what you guys think. But I think I'm gonna be doing another mystery unboxing tomorrow with possibly some Morphe boxes. We'll see. But that's gonna be it for today's video. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.